Good morning, my dear friends, and I'm back in my home cooking. So, happy cooking with Joan. Welcome back again. I will show more of my own version of Filipino food and other foreign food. So, right now I am going to prepare for you. I'm going to show you how to make Ginataang Kalabasa with lemongrass. Okay, so it's a bit, it will just enhance the flavor of the Ginataan. So what I have here, while I'm throwing the shrimp, actually it is Ginataang Kalabasa with prawn in lemongrass. It's a bit long, but just for the name of the food, you will know what kind of food it is. So what I have here, I have ginger. This is also very good. It's the spicy ginger and very nutritious. And we have onions and garlic. I will also include some green string beans, and I already slice and soak eggplant. I like to soak the eggplant so it will not discoloration, it will not turn into black. So I will have it in water, soak in water. Then I have okra, the slimy flavoring of the okra, and also I will add this onion leaves. Okay, I will just adjust my camera a bit. Okay, so this I will add the onion leaves, and I already I have a chicken stock. I boiled the chicken with together with the lemongrass. So I have here lemongrass. So this will be our stock, chicken stock, sabaw, para paglaga o pagluto ng squash hanggang sa lumambot po ito. Then, of course, I have coconut milk, So it's medyo chicken stock and coconut milk. Yun po ang isasabaw natin. And it seems like medyo marami yung ating coconut milk. It's a bit too much for one dish. It's good for one. I'm going to make a good for one. So this is the whole can. So just half of the coconut milk, and the rest, of course, I'm going to make another food out of the coconut milk. As you can see, I have that is for our dessert. So I will make sticky rice, malagkit. I will make a nice biko because I'm going to use this one. This is a mixture caramel combination of coconut milk and brown sugar. So I will make a nice dish out of the remaining coconut milk. So we are going to start. So I'm already throwing the prawn, because it's frozen. So while doing that, mag-slice na tayo ng ating mga sangkap or ingredients. So look at this. I again soak onion for my plants. Yung balat lang ng onion lalagay ko sa mainit na tubig, and let it soak there for a while, like this one. Soak ko, mainit itong tubig. Then I will add more water para pang dilig na sa halaman. So slice na lang. Okay, I will continue slicing later. Hold on. Para sa sibuyas natin, just the normal way to slice the onion. And by the way, guys, this will be, I guess, my last video for this month, because we're going back to school. So maybe I cannot, make as much as I can making video. So ganito lang po. We're going to slice it the normal way. Yung hindi naman po yung shredded like yung ginagawa natin sa ating mga spaghetti na talagang pinong-pino, just like that, yung parang pahaba, but manipis na pahaba, para yung katas ay talagang lumabas in the coconut milk. Here's also, we will just slice a portion of this ginger. This is my favorite ingredients in all my food. I like to put ginger in my chicken curry, like pork soup, meat soup, beef. I always add ginger. The flavor is really strong, and also very nutritious for our body. And this is very common. We can just buy it anywhere. And I'm going to slice it like that. Just remove the not so good part. Yes, like that. Huh? This will also add a peppery taste in the food, aside from the nice smell and the nutritious, or the benefit in our body. It will also add peppery or minty taste of ginger. So here, for the garlic, just normal also, just a small garlic slice. It is I'm happy cooking. That's why I love making food, because it makes me happy, and knowing that I know what are the things or the ingredients that I put in my food. I'm very careful with what I put in my mouth. After I've been ill, I am very careful. So here, I will wash part of this squash. The reason why I need to wash it thoroughly is because I'm going to include the peel. I'm not going to remove it. This is the peel, or the balat, is very nutritious. So like that. Medyo we will just make it manipis, kasi bite size ang gagawin natin. Slice it into bite size. When you make good, you have to also think of the people who are going to eat, you know, not to make it hard for them. So this is bite size. Yung one subo, you know, that amount that you put in your mouth is the size of the veg, like this. For example, that kasi baka naman mabilaukan pag masyadong malalaki. Although we're going to boil it for a long time, and we'll make it tender like that. So this is now, and I hope I'm going to clear the stove so I can show you, you know, the procedure in saute until I will make it with coconut milk, because halfway of the cooking, when the vegetables are already soft, I will add coconut milk and prawn, the pasayan, make it so tasty. And also my chicken stock, you know, is already flavored. I added spices, salt, pepper and salt, and some nice paprika powder. So ito po yun, pumpkin soup with in coconut milk with prawn in lemongrass. How's that? Diba? Sa pangalan pa lang, sarap na tayo. And here's the okra. I will show you slices of okra, how I will do it. This is my life in Norway, and I seldom eat out because I want to know, you know, the right what are the right food for me. So I've almost it's all home cooking, though I can buy outside already, but I prefer to just make my own. I already washed this, you know. Before you slice, you have to wash the veg. Kasi open na open na yung vegetable, tapos dadagdagan mo ng mga tsaka mo hugasan, hindi maganda. As you can see, it is also bite size. Here, yung laki. This is how lucky it is. Sorry, mixture again. It's also actually in Davao we use Tagalog. It's a mixture of Bisaya, Tagalog and English. So it's kind of sometimes awkward when you are at the Bawenyo, they will think that we're Tagalog, but we're not Tagalog. It's just that maybe there's so many people from the north who migrated to Davao. That's why I heard in the, I read in our history that during old days people migrated because there's a vast land and to cultivate in Davao, so many family migrated and make their homestead in Davao. So this is now all our ingredients. I'm going to wait for the shrimp or the prawn to thaw. So I think basically this is just what we are going to need, and a stock of our onion leaves. Okay. So later I will continue. See you later. First, you have to put the pag mainit na, okay, garlic. Medyo mag-brown lang ng konti. At igisa. No? I have a very nice wok. This one is thick, kaya hindi siya nasusunog agad. Kasi medyo thick. Maganda ito sa paella. Kasi you can put the meat and the rice in this. So onions, sibuyas. Yan lang, halo-halo. Sana wag uminit yung camera ko. Hindi ko nakikita kung anong nakikita sa camera. Well, that's the onions. Okay. And garlic. I like yung onion, yung flavor ng onion, lumalabas talaga pag na-prito, no? You have to fry it well. Kasi yung katas niya lumalabas. Same with the ginger. So, now we will let it fry a bit.